Hi everybody and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So that's where you guys come in. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping Truewants get noticed and grow on the YouTube platform. So once again, I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys, this is something that I don't always do, but I didn't do any add-ons in the month of January. And then they came out with a mystery bag that was that $14 mystery bag. And I said, you know what, because I didn't do any add-ons and I usually do my customized bag that I share with you guys on my channel, I figured I would dip in and see what was about this newest mystery bag. They have so many mystery bags going on right now that I have shared with you on all of my add-on videos, as well as all of the sneak peeks and spoiler videos. I've shared that all with you, the ones that they have going on, and a lot of them are still available, especially the ones that were during Christmas, where they're putting 6 products in those bags as opposed to the 5, which is the norm for their mystery bags that are $14. But I didn't get any of those because, as you know, on my channel, I get so much from Ipsy between the add-ons and the flash sales, and every bag that they come out with, I have and I share with you on the channel. So for me, the mystery bags, I'm always concerned that I'm going to get some duplicate items. With that said, I didn't get any duplicate items in this mystery bag this month. So I'm so excited that I dipped my feet in, and it's usually the bag that intrigues me anyways. And they always come, these mystery bags, with different bags. But like I said, there's so many on the website right now. So definitely, if you want to dip your feet in, take a look. But if you're interested in the one that I'm showing you, you never know if it's going to be the same as I'm showing you now, because a lot of times if they have the bag, they will end up putting different items in. At the beginning, we'll all get, I think, a lot of the same, if not similar items, but then in future ones, they might still have the bag, so they'll put other items in if they run out of this variation, all right? There's no codes or anything with this, so you never know. So let me just show you what I got. So this is the silver bag, and what's really cool is this one is called the Cosmic Glow Mystery Bag. So that, I think, if you think cosmic, you would think silver, and that is what this one is. They also have this, it looks almost like a lightning bolt type of pulley, and the name Ipsy is on it there. And then when you open it up, it's a beautiful pink zipper with some pink lining inside, and one side here has the actual logo for Ipsy inside here as well. So these are always never part of the count. It's just something that Ipsy does, and I think it is a lot of fun to get these bags. All right. They also had on the website this was going to be over $100 value for $14, and they're saying new year, new surprises picks with this limited edition bag. You will get 5 deluxe sample faves from this ultimate cosmic glow up. It's a mystery bag, and they're saying what we could get in here possible are KVD Vegan, GoldFaden MD, and the Cream Shop. I think I ended up getting 2, no, I think I got all 3 of those. And then it says, let me see. Okay, so what I ended up paying was $14, and they only charged me tax. There was no additional handling fee or shipping. It was directly to my door for $14.98, and I live in Florida. All right? Okay, so starting with, and I love when even in our bags, our Glam bags, we get this. The one count is 2 face masks, which I think is absolutely fantastic. And these are from the Crème shop, which was one of the brands that they mentioned here that could possibly be one of the brands in here, yeah. And one of this is in rose water. It is an infused essence mask. And the other one is a B12 complex infused essence mask. And these are made in Korea. So those 2 are considered one. And it came in a little plastic holder. If you're not familiar, I open up everything on my channel prior to sitting down so I could remove any excess packaging. So I'm not like, you know, having a hard time when I'm sitting here filming for you guys. And I also take a picture for my Instagram, and if you're not following me there, you should. It's Truewants with the number 2, and I'm able to share a couple of extra things in there. And especially with the giveaway that I have going on right now this month, which the link will be in the description box down below. On Instagram, I'm able to show you, if you flip through my pictures, you will see on the giveaway picture, if you scroll, I gave an aerial view of everything. A lot of the products you'll be able to see that were in that box. So like I said, I'm able to share a little bit of different type of things because it's more pictures on Instagram. So if, like I said, if you're not following me there, it's free and you're missing out if you don't, and it's Truewants with the number 2. So the first item that they're calling one item is the 2 masks. The next one in here is a brand that is called Shades by Shan, and I've had the opportunity to try a couple of products, especially his eyeshadows, and I'm really enjoying them. This is what's in here, and it is a highlighter, and it is in the color called IRMA. And it looks, I'm gonna open it, but I'm not gonna swatch this, and simply because I have so many highlighters, this is now gonna start my next box that's gonna be for you guys. So this is called Shades by Shan, and this color is called IRMA, and it looks like it's a gorgeous gold tone highlighter. So really beautiful. The next item in here is from GoldFaden MD. And this is a brand that I tell you guys all the time, it's so fantastic. And when you get an opportunity to grab this brand, which is a high-end skincare brand, you're able to get it in the $3 section, which is where I tried so many of his products. And then when they became choice items for me, when I get my plus, I ended up choosing them as my choice item. That's how much I enjoyed the product, but I got to test it and try it in the $3 section. So a lot of times you're able to do that, you know, in the $13 a bag as well. So always exciting when it is in a mystery bag, and if it's one that I don't own, I'll be really excited. And this one is the Dr. Scrub, and it's saying it is in Ruby Crystal. So let's see what this one is about. And this one also, I think, has a safety seal, and I didn't remove this one because I wasn't sure if I had it or not. So I'm gonna leave that safety seal on for now because I'll be struggling here for 10 minutes just to try to get it off. But that's what this item is here. The next item in here is from Seraphine Botanicals, and this is also a phenomenal brand. And this one is one that I don't own as well, and this is called the Pink Guava and Primer. They're saying it is an oil-free illuminating primer. I have another primer from their brand that I'm really enjoying a lot, and it also came in a container like this. And what blew me away was, I'm a combo girl, so the fact that this is oil-free, I'm really excited to try this because their other one I also enjoyed, and it wasn't for oil-free. So I'm gonna be able to see what the differences are between that one and this one here. So this is also a cruelty-free brand, and it is a brand that I've had the opportunity to try a lot from, and I'm really excited to get it. Look how gorgeous the color of this is. Really exciting. So let's see what this is all about, and let's see. There is a slight scent to it. It's not overpowering at all. It's just really fresh, and that is what this looks like here. It feels so hydrating. Really excited to have the opportunity to try that. I put way too much on, so you need very little, and it's really sinking in beautifully. So that is what the product looks like there. And then the last item that was in the box is one that I received, I think, in a Sephora box. So really excited about this. This is from KVD. It is their Cake Pencil. So if you're not a liner girl that likes liquid liners, this one here is the one that is more of that gel formula. And the colors of KVD, her eyeliners, the pigmentation is so, you're gonna see, it's very, I already own this and I love it. It is really beautiful. It goes on and glides on so beautifully, and it stays. And it is always like a beautiful dark pigment. So it stays that way, and it is so fantastic. So if you want to wear it in your waterline, or you don't like liquid liners, but you like pencil liners better, this one is an absolute win. So that is fantastic that this is in the bag here, because like I said previously, I didn't get it from Ipsy. I got it, like I said, from Sephora. So very excited about this. So we got a couple of makeup products. We got a primer, which could be considered makeup or skincare, however you want to look at it. We have that fantastic exfoliator, as well as 2 sheet masks, as well as the fantastic bag. So like I said, I think this is an absolute winning bag. And the primer came in, to me, a fantastic gift-giving box as well. So like I said, we have the 2 sheet masks, we have the primer, we have the exfoliator, we have the pencil from KVD, as well as a gorgeous highlighter from Shades by Shan. So Share with me in the comments down below if you ended up picking up the Cosmo, bag. Like I said, I treated myself simply because I didn't do add-ons this month, but I think I did great, because if this was in the add-on section, I definitely would have picked this up. I definitely would have picked the KVD as well as the GoldFaden MD. So the fact that we got a couple of extra bonus items in here, plus when I do my customized bag, I don't get a bag, I think this is an absolute win. Like I said, share in the comments down below if you ended up picking up this Cosmo mystery bag, or if you picked up any of the mystery bags and you're enjoying them as well. All right, take care everybody, stay well. It is so important during this time that everybody continues to be safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.